Today's video is all about templates that you can easily recreate and customize here in Google Slides. So let me show you the templates that I've created. So whether you're working on a slideshow for a school project or a business proposal, this template is easy to create and will include the basic elements that you need for your presentation. Let's get started. So the way that I've created these templates are deciding on the colors that I want to use, the shapes that I want to use to highlight my text, and also some other elements that I want to add into the presentation. Now let's try and recreate this first slide right here, because the basic principles on this slide will be applied on the succeeding slides. So let's get started with a blank slide. And again, you're going to start with the colors. So there are only 4 colors that I've used in this entire presentation, and these colors that I've chosen complement each other, and the contrast that they have help them make the other stand out. Like for these colors right here, we have the blue or the dark cornflower blue number 3. We have this orange background, which is an orange color from the Simple Light theme, and the white color for our text. So let's recreate it. Let's start with the background color. Go to background in the toolbar, go to color or image. So when you do use an image for your background, make sure that it's not too busy so it doesn't distract your audience from the actual presentation. So for this one, I'm just gonna go to color, and here you'll see the Simple Light theme and the colors that are used for that theme. Here they are, and I've just chosen this color right here. If you can't see it, then here is the code for it. That's #FFAB40. Select that and click on done. And there we have it. Next part would be inserting our shapes. So the shapes that I've used here are different kind of shapes. We have this half frame, this bevel. In the other slides, we have cubes and triangles. We also have a full frame and some L shapes, some donut shapes, again, more bevels, a folded corner shape, your can shape, your scrolls, and your pentagon. So going back to our title slide, let's insert our half frame. Now all these shapes are all found right here. So if you go to the toolbar, click on shape, we have our shapes. Most of the shapes that I've used are found here. If not, some of them are found here, like the pentagon, and for the call out, I have this scroll right here. So let's go back to shape and select half frame. Click on it. You can just click on the screen and it will create the half frame for you. Or you can also do that by just creating or dragging your arrow to create a shape that you want. There you have it. Now I'm just going to reposition this to this corner. Again, we're recreating our title slide. And let's format this shape. What we're going to do first is to go to fill color and select the other color that will be in contrast to our orange color right here. So that's the dark cornflower blue right here. That's number 3. Click on it. There you have it. And for a border color, you'll see that that's in the gray color, but we're going to make it transparent. There you have it. Now, instead of creating another shape, the same shape as this one, what I'm going to do is to just copy this and paste it. Here it is, and I'm just going to rotate it like so, drag it to the opposite corner, and here we've created opposite half frames for our slide. So that's an aesthetic point for our background, and for the title, we're going to insert our shape because within our shapes, we can have our text. Go back to shape right here, and this time we're going to select bevel. Again, you can just click on the screen to create that shape. There you have it. Now we can resize it and format our shape by again changing the fill color with the same dark cornflower blue number 3. And for the border color this time, instead of making it transparent, we can make it the same color as the background because these lines right here would really help accentuate our shape. So if we select that and increase our border weight just next to the border color, put it in 4 points, there you have it. Now you'll notice that this shape right here has smaller corners, and we can easily adjust that by just clicking on the shape. And again, you'll find this yellow or orange diamond in a corner, And if you drag it closer to the edge, it will make it smaller, closer to the middle, and it will make it bigger. So we're going to make it smaller, like so, drag it towards the edge, and there you have it. Now all we have to do is to put in our text. To put in your text, just double click on the shape itself. And here is your horizontal bar that will tell you that this is where you can put in your text. Again, you can just format this with the format options at the top, but let's just put in our text first. And there we have it. Now time to format it. Let's just select that same shape until our options come out. Again, we have our font style. Now, if you're not satisfied with the font options that you have right here, you can always add more with more fonts at the top. All you have to do to add these fonts right here, just click on them and they'll automatically be added to your list on the right side. Once you're done, just click on OK and go back to that font style and you'll be able to find them right here. Once you've chosen the one that you like, click on it, automatically apply to your text. Again, change the font size, make it bigger by clicking on this plus sign. Or if you click on it, you have the options to choose from these ones right here. Or you can also click on it and type in the number that you want. You can also put it in bold, italic, or not. Then change the text color into a contrasting color that will definitely make your text stand out. We're going to be choosing white, and there you have it. So if there are any other things that you want to change with your text, again, just click on that shape and you can choose more from right here. And there you have it. So the basic principles in creating these slides are, again, choosing colors that will complement each other, help each other stand out, formatting your shapes in a way that it will complement other elements within your slide. And depending on the type of style that you like, you can always add more elements. But again, always remember that too much might make it a bit messy or will distract your audience from the actual presentation itself. So that's recreating our title slide. For the next one, again, it's the same principle. We've added two shapes right here in each opposite corner. Now you can also do a different type of style. Let's say you want this to be a smaller type of triangle. Let's make it smaller, like so. You can also put this at the top if you want, then rearrange your shape and just put everything in the middle. Again, it's totally up to you. You're recreating this to make it your own, so it's totally up to you how you want to design it, to lay out everything, your elements, your shapes, and your text. And there you have it. Now, again, all these shapes are found here in Google Slides. All you have to do is explore the shape tool right here, where I've used the scroll here in callouts right here. This scroll is called a horizontal scroll. This one is a pentagon, again, found in the shapes or in the arrows right here. We have our pentagon. And this one is a folded corner shape found again in the shapes just right here. You'll also see that I've used a donut shape right here, which I've also modified. You'll find it here in shapes, and here it is. And on this particular slide right here, these are actual image placeholders that you cannot insert with the toolbar that you have right now. What you can do to put in your image placeholders, I've already made a video of this. You have to go to the theme builder to be able to access your insert text placeholder or insert image placeholder in your toolbar. You can only do this when you are in the theme builder. So in that example, I've inserted 3 image placeholders right here. If you want to add a text placeholder, you can put it like so, and there you have it. And that was a simple template that you can easily recreate by yourself and customize it to make your own here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.